Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I came with something very interesting. From the description you must have already known that this is for fair skin, and you would want to say, I thought you said skincare is one size fits all when it comes to skin tone. Yes, that has not changed, but then it doesn't make sense using a product that is clearly made for caramel skin. It doesn't make sense. So now I'm here to point out those products that can help you enhance your skin tone, make it brighter and more radiant, especially if you're fair skin. We'll be starting from the body care products. I wrote a lot of points down here, so you might see me looking down from time to time. So the products here, between 5,000 naira, you can start your skincare journey. Okay, so let's dive into the business of the day without wasting much of your time. For your body lotion, this is the product I am highly recommending. Now, this is the Dr. Davey body lotion. It contains alpha arbutin and vitamin C. Without being told, you should already know what vitamin C is for. Vitamin C is for that skin radiance. Vitamin C is for that brighter, even toned skin. So if you want a body lotion that will brighten your skin, as a matter of fact, this will lighten you a bit. Let me just be honest with you. Especially if you have not used any lightening products before. This may lighten you, but this depends on the way your skin reacts to products. If your skin is easily reacting to products, so this may lighten you. But if not, this will give you a very bright and radiant skin. Alpha arbutin is a very good lightening ingredient. If you have body hyperpigmentation, this lotion will do you good. And for people who are always having stretch mark issue, not with this lotion. This lotion does not cause any stretch mark, so this is just a safe buy. If you want body lotion that will lighten you small, make your skin more radiant, this Dr. Davey body lotion is the absolute best. In a case whereby you don't like something that will lighten you, you just want to have a brighter, moisturized skin, then pick this one. This is the Facefacts Vitamin C body lotion. This is actually a very hydrating body lotion. One thing is that most brightening products does not hydrate the skin. Okay, so this is one of a kind. Actually. This body lotion will brighten your skin and it will equally hydrate your skin. So even if you're dry skin, you're any skin type, can use this body lotion. So I highly recommend this. Okay, so that will be your body lotion. Now that we are done with the body lotion, we are moving on to the body oil. But in this case, I'm going to be recommending a body gel. And one of the body gels I highly recommend right now is the Disaar Vitamin C body gel. If you have been using the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body Moisturizing Oil, you will definitely like what I'm about to mention right now. Now, the product gel to use is the Disaar Vitamin C body gel. Yes, that body gel is one of a kind. Okay, a little goes a long way, and this is something that will last you for a very long time. So when I was shopping for the product I'll use for this video, I did not find the vitamin C, so I brought this one. I'll attach the picture of the other one, and this is also a really good one if you want to moisturize your skin. Now, I did not mention body oil because the products I'm going to be listing here, your body soap, your body lotion, they all contain brightening products, and brightening products often dry the skin. Okay, so you want to use something that will moisturize it, and that is why I'm recommending a body gel, not a body oil. So this is a good example. If you don't find the Disaar Vitamin C body gel, you can equally pick this one. This is really good. They do the same thing. This will enhance your skin elasticity. I highly recommend. Anyone who knows me will say, I know she will mention this one, but then that is because I like it. I have used it and still using it, and it works perfectly for me. The body soap is no other soap than this Asantee retinol soap. So this product contains 3 active ingredients. It contains carrot, it contains papaya, it contains vitamin C. That carrot there contains retinol. This contains all the products that will, brighten your skin, make it radiant, fade wrinkles. Okay, I really love this product. I really love it, and I'm recommending it for you. If you have a dull skin and you want something that will brighten your skin, this soap is a must-have. This Asantee retinol, as a matter of fact, this is their best seller at the moment. If you want something that will brighten your skin, I mean brighten your skin in the real sense, this soap is a must-have. It is really good. It is really good. But when you're using it, you want to hydrate your skin because it contains retinol already. Anything that contains retinol will likely dry your skin. One body scrub I'll equally recommend for you is this Dr. Mania scrub. I mean, all these products are really affordable, yes, compared to the prices of things in the market. This body scrub, you get it between 4,500 to 5,000, and I really love it. This is just one of the best body scrub I've ever used. You know, one thing is that even if you have dry skin, you have any skin type at all, you can use it because it's a sugar scrub. But if this is a salt scrub, there are certain skin types that cannot use it. This I highly recommend. It does not foam, but it cleanses your skin properly. This is just one of the best. I have been giving it to a lot of my customers and the reviews are amazing. As long as you use it the right way, any Dr. Mania scrub will work for you. I've used it and it gave me a very beautiful skin. So if you're contemplating, please buy it. It is good. You get value for your money. So is it a good purchase? It is. For your face care product, I'm going to be recommending this Kbrothers collagen goat milk soap. Okay, this is really good. I would have recommended the Asantee retinol for your face, but then there is one problem I have with that product. It is an exfoliating soap. Okay, it is an exfoliating soap and it will brighten your skin, but then it is not to be used every day. This is what you can use every day because it will help you firm your skin, it will help you brighten your skin, and it will make your skin radiant. If you have a sensitive skin, you can use a baby soap, a very mild soap. You can use Dettol, the pink one. You can use it to wash your face. You can use baby soap. I really like the Johnson's baby soap because it is really mild. The 2-in-1, that is a very good soap you can equally use on your face and on your body because it is very mild. You can equally use it to wash your face on a daily basis if you have a sensitive skin and you cannot use this. Moving on strong, we'll be talking about our toner. Our toner, this is the toner you should be using if you are the type that likes toner. Okay, toners are not compulsory, but if you like toners, you can use this tea tree facial toner. This is actually a very affordable toner if you ask me. Okay, this is for skin hydration. Now, if you have too many products in your routine, you want to keep it simple when it comes to your toner. There is no point using any active ingredient. Just focus on hydration. It will do your skin a lot good. Now, coming to your face cream, this is the face cream I'm introducing to you. This collagen face cream. This is a hydrating face cream for combination skin, for dry skin, for oily skin. All right, this is a very good face cream because it will help you hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, and equally brighten your skin. But in a situation where you can't find this in your vicinity, you can use the new skin facial cream. For your serum, I brought 2 serums. This is the Facefact ceramide serum and this is the Pame brand. This one is the hyaluronic acid serum. This is the ceramide serum. This one is for hydration, same as this one. Anywhere you see ceramide serum, anywhere you see hyaluronic acid serum, just know that they are good hydrating products. All right, these are the 2 products you want to try out for your face for that hydration. It will elevate your skincare game any day, anytime. So let's talk about our sunscreen because your skincare is not complete without your sunscreen. One sunscreen I'll recommend any day, anytime is the Belle UV sunscreen. This is the watery essence and will not leave a white cast. So combination skin, dry skin can use this. Normal skin can use it, all right? So this is one sunscreen you can use with this product I have listed. So these are some of the products I really think will do your skin good if you're fair skin and you're on a strict budget but you want to glow your skin. If you noticed, I did not mention any liquid soap here. That is because the prices of liquid soap are actually very high. And I know that this is not something everyone can afford. So if you're on a budget and you want something that will enhance your skin tone, these are the products for you. So we've come to the end of today's video. But I noticed one thing, we're already 10 in this family. Okay, we already have 10 subscribers, and I'm truly grateful for the gift of you all. Meanwhile, I want to know, have you by chance used any product I mentioned in my previous video? What was your result like? Did you get the result you desire? Please, if you use any product and it worked for you, please leave us a review in the comment section so that others can equally try it. Thank you for hitting the subscribe button. Thank you for liking, and thank you for the one you will do in the future. I truly appreciate you. If you're coming here for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button, do well to like, do well to engage, so that other people that need this video can equally see it. That will be a wrap for today. Do enjoy your holiday. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Do have a joyous celebration. Bye.